Hey, are these your underwear? Hey, I got dibs on these jockeys, man. Are these yours? Standing in the town center of Austin, Pennsylvania. This is the town that was devastated by the flood. Freeman Run came down and just devastated this whole area. It's really cool. There's a couple interesting, really interesting buildings here. Definitely 100 years old or more. So yeah, the flood was in 1911. Here it is, bike tours. That's how we do it. This is a pretty sweet pavilion here. I doubt they'd let you camp here in the middle of the night. But it's surrounded by state forest. There's no shortage of places to camp here. Really, really cool. There we go. Not a whole lot going on here in Austin though. Lots of opportunity for you to rest and just do whatever you might want to do. Karate kick. That was back when you could just kill everything and cut trees down. But anyway, we are here at the Costello Tannery, and it was in operation 1880 to 1924 on this site known as North Wharton. You thought I was gonna read the whole sign. Hey, can I get some more four-wheeler? Can I get some more ATV? Just crank on that thing. Crank on that thing, man. Get it a little harder, Come on, get it. Get it, man. Do a jump. Do a kick flip. Oh, these guys are gonna kick my ass. Okay. Oh, he's doing fucking wheelies. Yeah. Tearing up mom's yard, man. Shit, side banking. Hell yeah. Mama's gonna be so pissed. Mad skills. Hell yeah. Mom is gonna kill you. Hell yeah. Right here. You guys are lucky to grow up in a place like this, really. It's really cool. So, awesome guys. Good luck and be safe.
Yep, you too.
Awesome. Wheelies. Cool. 23 miles down to Cinema Honing. And guys, I'm following the creek all the way down. It's so I'm in like basically a 31-mile downhill. What? 31 miles downhill, man. Anyway, it is just amazing out today. The temperature is perfect. Freezing this morning, but whatever. Here we are. It's not 31 miles downhill. What the hell was that? beautiful out here. Chilling and cinema honing, everybody. Oh, are those my jockeys? Oh, oh, oh. I have to say, this is one of the nicest bridges I've hung out under. Really. So I flew that drone and I found there's a sidewalk over here. Much more sensible than the way I came in. I came in on the opposite side of the bridge. There was like a baseball field over there, a little park or something, but yeah, paved sidewalk, river access. Damn it. Anyway, I just want to move here. This is nice. Fierce winters though up here. I don't know, man. That would be a perfect stealth camp, guys. I see nothing wrong with stealth camping right there under the bridge. I would just kind of like hang out, maybe cook dinner, do some light duty activities till it got dark, and then set up my tent. Or maybe just like in situations like that, I just like lay down in the sleeping bag under the bridge, like whatever. It's all good. It doesn't have to be a big deal. Willow's Bar. Elk Scenic Drive. Fire it up. Get on that shit. Get your bike. Bring it up here. No shit. Yeah. Yes. But try not to get my jockeys in a knot.